In the trigonometry, we will deal with only three angles. Tri in the sense three, gon in the sense angle, metry in the sense measurement. Measurement of three angles in a triangle can be known as the trigonometry, and we will be using only the right angle triangle. Compulsorily, whenever you wanted to apply the trigonometry application, the triangle should be the right angle triangle. And base concept, let's take A, B, C, its right angle at B. As you know, Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Usually we will take like this. But compulsorily do not by heart that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, because sometimes a triangle may be changed. Instead of taking right angle at B, he will be taking right angle at C. Now the formula will be changed. How the formula will be? AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. So you need to remember the methodology. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. This is the method you should remember. Not compulsorily AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or AB square is equal to AC square plus BC. You should remember that in a right angle triangle, according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. And usually we call there are the 6 ratios in the trigonometry. Yes, we accept, but major ratios are only 3: sine, cos, tan. So remember, for example, you are selecting this triangle. If you are selecting this triangle A, B, C, right angle at B, and now this angle is already fixed, that value is 90 degrees. There are the unknown values to A and C. Based on your position, for example, if you are here at C, your opposite is going to be this. This is your opposite. And this is going to be your adjacent. And this is going to be your hypotenuse. The same triangle you select again A, B, C, or this is 90 degrees. Now you have selected your position at A. What will happen? This is your opposite. This is your adjacent. This is your hypotenuse. What happens usually? Based on your position, opposite becomes adjacent, adjacent becomes opposite, but the hypotenuse remains the same. Exactly the difference between here. Ikkademo opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent. Position of the opposite adjacent is replaced, but hypotenuse is going to be same. Now based on this, let's take this triangle. We will be using theta and is represented as the angle. I am selecting sine ratio. Say it as sine theta. Sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. These are the main 3 ratios, and they are the reciprocal ratios. Cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite. Next, sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot theta is equals to, what will we write? Adjacent to by opposite. These are the reciprocal ratios. Sin theta reciprocal cosec theta reciprocal sin theta, vice versa. Cos ka reciprocal sec reciprocal cos. Tan reciprocal cot reciprocal tan. Reciprocal in the sense 1 by. That means sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. This is the meaning of reciprocal. And cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. And again, tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. So this is the meaning of reciprocal. And among these, one more thing you should remember, tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. It depends on the application, you will be using either this or this. So this is reciprocal concept. And this is what is opposite, what is just simple thing. Where you are situated, what is opposite is, that is opposite. What is side by, that is adjacent. Hypotenuse remains same. How do we know hypotenuse, sir? Among the triangle sides, which side is lengthy one, that is going to be hypotenuse. And see, there are the Pythagoras triplets like 3, 4, 5 or 12 and again 5 and 13. 24, 7, 25. These are the Pythagoras triplets because 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 29, 25 is a 5. 144, 25. What will be there? 169. So it becomes as a 13. 24, 576, 7 square, 49, 625. You will be getting as a 25. Just usually remember these triplets, that's it. And whenever you are doing the problem, the trigonometry chapter divided into 4 parts. First part ratio, second part unknown angles like 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and third part complementary angles, fourth part identities. It's divided into the 4 segments. First one ratio, second one known angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Third part is complementary angles. Fourth part is going to be identities. See, as you know, for example, let's take the example how to write. 3 tan theta is equals to 4. Find cosec theta, cot theta, sec theta. This is the question which is given. Now, what do we do? This type of question usually we will ask. Tan theta is equals to what, Nana? 4 by 3. He did not give the triangle. You need to take your own triangle. So what shall we do? Let's take a triangle. A, B, C, right angle B usually. Now, theta can be situated as your choice because he did not mention A, B, C. So either here or here. You can take anywhere else. So now I am taking comfortably here theta. Tan theta, what do you mean by the tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Theta के opposite this one. Opposite how much is given? 4. Adjacent how much is given? 3. Bottom of the figure you can write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. What is your AB square? 16. BC square 9. Usually 25. AC square. Then AC is equal to how much do you get? 5. Now you know this value, that is as a 5. Here you write consider the figure. Right? Now what do you want? Cosec theta. Cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So you write as AC by AB. What do you get, Nana? 5 by 4. Next, cot theta we want. Cot theta. Cot theta means what? Adjacent by opposite. What is your adjacent? BC. Opposite how much, Nana? AB. So what adjacent at 3 by 4. Next, what do you want? Sec theta. Sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent. What is your hypotenuse? AC. Adjacent how much, Nana? BC. So 5 by 3. Over. This is one type of method. And again, same attitude they will be asked in the some other method. Question be like this. In a triangle ABC, sin A is equals to 4 by 5. Find 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Question number 1. Question number 2, sec square C minus tan square C. This is the question. Okay, he will mention angle B is equals to 90 degrees. He should mention in the question. Okay. Now he mentioned already the triangle name is ABC. So you don't take the other names. Now as per the question, draw a triangle. Always whenever you are drawing, that should be right side. A, B, C. Say it as a 90 degrees. What is given, you write. Nothing is given. Okay. So let's write given solution. Sin A is equal to how much, Nana? 4 by 5. Consider figure. Sin A means compulsory you should take here only, not here. He mentioned that A in the sense here. What do you mean by the sin, Nana? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Bottom of the figure, again you write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. What is your AC square, Nana? 25. AB square you do not know. BC square is 16. Let's make it as 25 minus 16 is equal to AB square. 9 is equal to AB square. 3 is equal to AB. Sorry, AB should be this and 3 should not like that. Anything you can write. So you have a value AB is equal to how much, Nana? 3. Okay, right. Now first question. In the first question, you need to know the tan A. Isn't it? So tan A is equals to, what is the tan A? Opposite by adjacent. So 4 by 3. Now question is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan A means what, Nana? 4 by 3. So write it as 4 by 3 whole square, 1 plus 4 by 3 whole square. Is that correct? Tan square A means tan value whole square. So now simplification is the matter. 1 minus 16 by 9, 1 plus 16 by 9. So now let's take it. Here you should know the answers properly first of all. 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 by 9. 9 plus 16 by 9. 9 cancel. 9 minus 16 how much? Minus 7 by 25. Now this is your answer. Everything is mentioned. This is enough. అది లెంతీగా రాయాలా లేదా తర్వాత మ్యాటర్. ప్రతిదీ నీట్ ఎలాబరేట్ చేసామా లేదా సరిపోతుంది మనకి. అది 4 మార్క్స్, 2 మార్క్స్, 1 మార్క్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. నువ్వు నీట్గా స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది అక్కడ. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? లెట్స్ మేక్ ది సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. సెక్ స్క్వేర్ సి మైనస్ టాన్ స్క్వేర్ సి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ నో ద సెక్ సి. సెక్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, సి ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ హియర్. What do you mean by the sec? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Here students will get confused. Now this is your C. This is your hypotenuse. This is your adjacent. So sec C is equals to 5 by 4. Next what, Nana? Tan C. What do you mean by the tan C? Opposite by adjacent. That means 3 by 4. Now elaborate the question. Sec square C minus tan square C. Sec square C means what, Nana? 5 by 4 whole square, 3 by 4 whole square. Next step, 25 by 16, 9 by 16. So what do you get usually? 25 minus 9 by 16, 16 by 16, that is equal to what do you get? 1. That's enough. The entire first exercise will depend on like this. First you should know, if the diagram already given, not a matter. If the triangle is not given, you need to make the triangle. And remember, where you are situating the angle is the matter. Based on your selection, opposite becomes adjacent, adjacent becomes opposite. Based on these questions, only student will get confused, lose the marks. See, because your mindset already fixed with A. So when he is asking sec C, you will be knowing here only. That is the confusion usually student will make. So you are supposed to be confident about the question and to be particular what he is asking, either A or C. This is entire first exercise will remain same. And remember, Some other type questions. If in a triangle ABC, AB is equals to 24 centimeter, BC is equals to 49 centimeter, AC is equals to 25 centimeter. Find angle A comma angle C if angle B is equal to 90 degrees. This is the question sometimes you will be asking. First write the data and make a triangle. What he said, A to B should be 90 degrees. Yes, this is your 90. A, B, C. You can change A, B here, C here, not a problem. Next, A, B, how much given, Nana? 24. BC how much? 49. And AC how much? 25. This is the value you have. Oh, 7 I'm sorry. This is your 7. We written wrong 7 it is there. Now what is asking angle A? Angle A in the sense you should find out this. I will write it as sin A is equals to BC by AC because opposite by hypotenuse. If you want BC means what, Nana? 7. AC how much? 5. That is sin A. Then angle you want A is equals to sin inverse of 7 by 25 because you cannot cancel the 7 and 25. Same way, what the angle C want? Angle C, you can use this or use this. I may use tan C. Tan C is equals to AB by BC. What is your AB? 25, BC 7, tan C. C is just inverse 24 by 7. This is writing the angle position. Total first exercise only depends on drawing a triangle, finding the sin A, sin B, cos A, cos B, tan A, tan the same. They don't use all the things. In the second exercise, you will be asking known values like 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and all. First make the table. Ratio, sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. What are the known values? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. First 6 values you should remember. Sorry, 5 values. What are they? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is sine. Just write as a reverse. Mean from right to left. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Now what I told you, tan, tan means sine by cos. Sine by cos, 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 1 by root 3, root 2 cancel, 1, 2 cancel, root 3, 1 by 0 is infinite or undefined, anything you can write. Better to write infinite or undefined. See, cosec, cosec means reciprocal of sine, reciprocal means reverse, reciprocal of 0 always infinite and reciprocal of infinite always 0. Did you get my point? Reciprocal of 0 nemo infinite, reciprocal of infinite nemo 0 and reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 reverse, reciprocal of 1 by root 2, reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 reciprocal always 1 only. Next, sec means all else you can write the reverse or reciprocal of cos. Two options, either from right to left you can write or reciprocal of cos you can take. Reciprocal of cos 1, reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 by root 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2, reciprocal of 0, reciprocal of 0, infinite or undefined. Next take the cot. Cot is reciprocal of tan. 0 reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of root 3. 1 by root 3. Reciprocal infinite. That's it. You need to remember this table. Suddenly, whenever you have cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 60, root 3, cosec 60, cosec 60, sin 60, yes, 2 by root 3. That's it. These values should be remembered. He won't give in the examination. This table should be known by you. And always, instead of making the table, you should remember the table because it takes time to prepare in the examination. And also, you don't have a sufficient space to make the tables. Okay, based on this question, based on this table, simplify tan square 30 minus sec square 30 by 1 plus cot square 45. This is the question he is asking. Now we usually what to do, first you should know the tan 30 value. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So write it as 1 by root 3 whole square minus sec square 30. What do you mean by the sec square 30? Sec 30 in the sense cos 30 reverse. So 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square. Right? By 1 plus cot square 45 means what, Nana? Cot square 45. Cot 45 value 1. So 1 square. Now what do you get here? 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Next 1 plus 1. Now what will be right? 1 minus 4 by 3 by 2. Next 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by 3 by 2. So you write it as 3 cancel minus 1 by 2. This is the simplification. ఎంత లెంతీగా రాస్తున్నామని కాదు, ఎంత ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ గా రాస్తున్న మ్యాటర్, ఎంత క్లియర్ గా రాస్తున్నామని మ్యాటర్, స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ sin of 60 plus 30 is equals to sin 60 cos 30 cos 60 sin 30. And what do you notice? First, sin 60 plus 30 becomes what, Nana? Sin 90. 60 plus 30 is 90. Okay, write this as usual. Sin 60 cos 30 cos 60 sin 30. What do you mean by sin 30 value? 1. What is the sin 60 value? Sin 60 value is going to be how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value how much, Nana? Root 3 by 2 plus. Next, cos 60. What do you mean by the cos 60? 1 by 2. You can use the into symbol or dot as your choice. Sin 30 means what, Nana? 1 by 2. So what will happen? Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 3 by 4. Because root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 2s are 4. Plus 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 by 4. 1 is equals to 4 by 4. 1 is equals to 1. Okay, fine. The question is not completed. You have done and is asking what do you notice. So don't write the statements I noticed you, I observed. This is not the matter. So we conclude sin of 60 plus 30 is equals to sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 30 sin 60. We just conclude that both values are same. That's it. Sometimes instead of giving equals to, he will give comma. Whatever the question is given, the position is same. Total second exercise depends on the same. But in the second exercise, we will be getting confused additions and subtractions. I will tell you like that also. 1 second. 1 plus tan 30 by 2 minus x square 60. This is the question is given. 1 plus tan 30 means what, Nana? 1 by root 3. 2 minus sec square 60. Sec square 60 in this is sec 60 you should know. Sec 60 how much? 2 whole square. Am I right? Cos 60 1 by 2. Sec 60 is going to be 2. Now simplification. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 LCM. And now 2 minus 4. You can't simplify root 3 plus 1 by root 3. You leave it same. 2 minus 4 is what, Nana? Minus 2. Here is the matter. Root 3 plus 1 by minus 2 root 3 is your answer. Because 2 comes down. 2 comes down. Root 3 into 2. 2 root 3 minus remains same. So your answer is going to be minus 2 root 3. These simplifications usually people will get confused. Usually will get confused. If you know already the angle values that you can do. If not, there is a problem. Question may be like anything. Whatever the question is, sin square 30, cos square 60, cos square 30, sin square 60, cosine square 60 minus tan square 30. Whatever is asking, we do not know. The only thing is we should know the angle values and simplification should be known thoroughly. If you are perfect in simplifications, whatever the question is giving is okay. These are the first exercise, second exercise. Sometimes I tell you, himself he will be giving a right angle triangle. A, B, C, this is your 90 degrees. He will mentioning you 60 degrees and this is 3, this is 7. That's fine. Now what we'll ask? From figure, find tan C, tan C sin A. Whatever is given, you need to find as usual. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. What is your AC square? Do not know. AB square in the sense 9. BC square how much, Nana? 49. 49 plus 9? 58. So AC is equal to how much, Nana? Root 58. 58 can't be simplified into lower terms. Now what you want? Consider figure. Tan C is equals to. What do you mean by the tan C? Opposite by adjacent. So what is the opposite? AB. Adjacent BC. So 3 by 7. What he wants? Sin A. Sin A, your location is here. Sin A opposite by hypotenuse. What is your hypotenuse? Root 58. So BC by AC. What is your BC? 7. What is the one? Root 58. Not compulsorily you should get the hypotenuse as an integer. Sometimes it remains in the root. Whatever it may be, the procedure should be same. Already we have such type of question like root 113 question. First exercise you have this. So first exercise, second exercise, you wanted to be thorough. There you should know how to make the Pythagoras application, that is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. In the second exercise, you should know how to remember the values 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. And among the chapters, trigonometry is a vast chapter that happens in intermediate also, which weightage maximum. Intermediate you will have the trigonometry more and more. We have only the basics here. And tomorrow's class we will be completing complementary angles and next identities. The most toughest part is identities. Okay, only if you know the simplification, first exercise, second exercise that you can do. But third exercise totally complementary. What do you mean by the complementary? Sum of the angles is going to be 90. Based on the questions will be asked. So next session we will be completing this complementary angles and as well as the identities. Once it is done, in the identities every question we will be doing on that, right?